The purpose of this tutorial is to help you locate resources that have cited a specific article. To begin, you want to go to Google Scholar, which is scholar.google.com. In the search box, enter the title of the article. In this case, we are looking for sources that have cited the article Biodiversity Loss and its Impact on Humanity. As you can see, it's been cited by 3,968 articles. If I click on this link, it'll show me the list of articles that have cited biodiversity loss and its impact on humanity. If I want to narrow my search further, I can check the box Search within citing articles and select an aspect of the article that I want to explore. Perhaps I want to look at articles that discuss pollination services. I can put pollination services in quotation marks so it searches it as a phrase. It gives me 271 results. In general, you want to click on Get Article at Fitchburg. This means that the article is available through the library's resources. You want to avoid sources like Semantic Scholar or ResearchGate.net. Oftentimes, these are preprints or postprints and not the official published version of the article. If you are off campus and click on a publisher's link like nature.com or royalsocietypublishing.org, you may hit a paywall where the publisher asks you to pay a fee to access the article. So in general, your best bet is to click on Get Article at Fitchburg to get to the full text of the article. In this case, if I click on Get Article at Fitchburg, I can click on Full Text Online, and it takes me to the landing page for the article. From here, I can click on Download PDF. This article has cited the original article we were looking for, which was Biodiversity Loss and its Impact on Humanity. If you want to see the source, you can see that it was cited at footnote number 12 in the article. So this paragraph in general is where they are referencing the article Biodiversity Loss and its Impact on Humanity. This has been an overview on how to locate resources that have cited an article using Google Scholars.